Rahul here. Today we will be seeing Talligence and how it is going to help you out to take faster and more informed decision making. Talligence solution is specially developed for Tally only, where your Tally's data has been massaged and been thrown on a cloud solution where analytics has been done basically, and that analytics is being shown to you as a descriptive analytics. So let me show you how to log into Tally today. So this is your any browser. In this case it is a Chrome. So let me log into Tally Gens. Once I put www.talligence.in, I will get this screen. This is a website, and since I'm showing you how the end customers will fill it, I just simply go log in. That is really fast to log into this kind of solution. You can log in from anywhere in the world. The entire solution and the dashboards and reports are available on your website. So today we are going to focus only on today's dashboard. I hope that you have gone through all the other videos where I explained the a tour around the Talligence. So today basically there are four dashboards: today's dashboard, CEO dashboard, CFO dashboard, and the sales dashboard. Out of which today we will see today's dashboards only. So this is how the today's dashboard looks like. The primary tile is cash and bank. So cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay, this is your trend analysis, how you are maintaining your cash in hand and bank. The next tile is cash flow. So we have three graphs here basically superimposed on each other: cash inflow, cash outflow, and the net flow. Okay, this tile is touch sensitive, so you can add or remove the element what you wanted to understand. So this is your net cash flow. This is net cash flow plus outflow, and this is your cash inflow. The next tile is payables and receivables. So these are your accounts payable and account receivable. Account payable is indicated here, account receivables are indicated here. Your payables are in amber color, your receivables are into pink color. So if I wanted to understand only account payable, I will just simply remove or add receivables, and I can do that with account payable as well. The next tile is top 5 payables, top 5 receivables. See, we have done this top 5 payables and top 5 receivables only for the day. The entire dashboard is for the day only. This is your income and expenses for the day. This is your income, this is your expenses. This is your trend analysis for your income and expenses. The next tile is your sales and purchases. So you can easily understand these are your today's sales and today's purchases as your book in your books of account. Now if you are in a business where the product moves really fast or really slow, this kind of understanding is really important for you. Here you can understand top 5 sales by product for the day, top 5 purchases by product for today. These are your top 3 fast moving products. These are your top 3 slow moving products. These are your top 3 non moving products. And the next tile is your duties and taxes, where you can understand what is the status of your duties and taxes for the day. So in a nutshell, this is your today's dashboard only.